Hey everyone. All right, so got the belly pan installed. We did the formers here, and here at the tail, the back of the wing. All the infill was done last night, and now the first rough sanding with filler. That's the first application of the spackle paste and the first kind of rough sanding. So you can see this joint will have to be smoothed into the fuselage, and this area here had to be filled. Small gap between the wrap of tape at the nose and the first former or bulkhead here. So this is roughly the shape that it'll take. Again, we're going to smooth that in a little bit better than already what we have here. This is the first rough pass, right? And then again, when the belly pan is done, we'll start working on the landing gear legs and wheel fairings and so on. But I just want to give you a look at how that went in or on. As you can see, part of the landing gear module is exposed here, so we'll have to address that a little bit with some sandpaper. It will be partially covered by the wheel pants, so when these parts go on, again, they're going to be 3/16 thick, at least at the center. They're going to be airfoil shaped, and they go approximately here, I think, is the exact location. And so that'll help cover a little bit of the landing gear module there. So we won't have to do a whole heck of a lot with that, just to clean it up a little bit. The paint and primer and all that stuff will take care of the rest and blend it in so that the unless you really go looking for that, you shouldn't see too much there. Okay, and we've got the legs equal. We've got a pretty square approach to the front end if we look down the line of the airplane. So our landing gear legs are of equal length. They are equally spread. The angles match. So we've got a pretty good foundation here for a decent outcome on this module project. Okay, so we'll get back to you a little bit later after I apply a few more coats of filler and get this a little bit more towards matching the rest of the airplane as far as the preparation for paint, right? We'll be back soon. Thanks for viewing.